Difference between stock front sway bar and 034 front sway bar in a Mark 7 GT Mark 7 after... Oh, sorry.
RX-7?
Difference between stock front sway bar and 034 front sway bar in a GTI Mark 7 after installing the 034 rear bar. Well, I lose some of the oversteering if I upgrade the front bar. You'll lose a little bit of oversteer on, like, if you just bomb into a corner and lift. But the Mark 7 MQB platform specifically with the front sway bar handles so good. And I actually think it makes the car turn better. It's eerie how good those cars handle when they're set up correctly. And the front bar will give you more grip and traction through the corners, and I don't think you're not gonna notice that it pushes more. In fact, it will feel like it turns even better. So I strongly recommend it in the GTI. That this is one of the platforms that we always say that they handle like front wheel drive cars, even when you add the hull decks in. But they do really shine with a big front sway bar because it is a front wheel drive platform.
Yeah.